From cell phones to applying makeup to even just talking to passengers, there are many ways you're driving distracted. Dick Freeburn of Freeburn and Hamilton is here to talk about how to stay focused on the roads. You do want to give a little shout out at the beginning here, though.
I'm going to start out by being distracted, if you don't mind.
He's distracting me from my segment.
I'm going to give a shout out to the Silver Academy, which is a K through 8 values-based academy learning center here in the city of Harrisburg, right on Front Street. Excellent, excellent, best education possible for any parent with their K through 8 child. Now, they're also having a fundraiser on May 31st, Thursday night. Oz Perlman, he knows what you're thinking right now. He's a
Do you know what I'm thinking right now? We're going to run out of time for the segment.
He's a mentalist. So he's a great performer and he's amazing. Now let's talk about distracted driving.
Let's. You have a cell phone in your hand. We hear so much about that. Do you think we've watered it down to just be about cell phones?
Well, I want to tell you, yes, in a way, but this is the #1 offender.
Yeah.
By all measure, this is the #1 offender.
I see it every day when I'm driving, yeah.
Texting, talking on your phone, putting in telephone numbers, etc. Nav systems are also a major offender.
Yeah.
Anything that takes your eye off the road, even for a moment, that's all it takes is just a couple of seconds off the road and an accident can happen. You never know when something's going to happen.
And it's not just a bad idea. There's laws, there are rules. What does Pennsylvania say about this?
Well, Pennsylvania has an anti-texting statute, which is 3316 of the Vehicle Code, which prohibits anybody from writing, reading, sending a text message on an electronic device of any kind. Okay, it's an offense under the Pennsylvania statutes. You don't want to be fined or cited for doing that. Okay, and I would tell you that distracted driving, texting and driving, is a way underreported offense.
Oh, I bet. Like we were saying, who's going to fess up to it, right?
Yes, I mean, people generally don't admit that they were texting or talking on their phone or putting in I mean, just reading a text. You know, you take your eye off the road for just a second and an accident can happen and then I get a call, all right? And you don't want that. You don't want people to be injured. We don't want people to be injured.
Okay? So what do you say to folks? What should they be doing? Give us the tips.
Just
wait
stop it, right? Wait, don't do it. Just wait until you get to a safe spot to pull off to the side of the road, and then you can send your text, or you can read your text, or whatever. Wait, there are emergency pull-offs, parts of the road where you can pull off and you can do that sort of thing. Just wait until just wait 5 minutes until you can get to the side of the road.
Even my 2-year-old knows.
That could save your life.
Even my 2-year-old now knows, like, you have to wait for a red light, because sometimes she'll be watching a video or she'll be reading a book and she drops in, "Mommy, get the book," and I'm like, you have to wait for a red light. So she knows. She'll say, "At a red light, a red light." So
we are so impatient in today's society, and you just look around when you're out to dinner or any place, and what do you see?
Cell phones.
People just cannot get away from their cell phone. Put it away. So texting and driving, talking on your phone, nav systems, eating while you're driving, anything that takes your eye off the road is a bad idea and can cause injuries, and nobody wants injuries.
If somebody has been injured by somebody who was distracted, how do they reach you for some legal guidance?
Well, our telephone number is very easy, 717-777-7777.
Got it.
Call the 7s.
Very good.
Okay.
Thanks so much. Good to have you.
It's always fun.
Yes, I'll see you again in a few weeks, I think.
You will?
Okay.